Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Samsung Xpress M2020 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First of all, go to the start and type printers and scanners and click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, at the top we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on our screen. New options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Close it. Here you find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last options, click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here and select any USB port that you want. USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Select any USB port and click on the next. Here we find Windows Update. Click on the Windows Update. After Windows Update is click on the Windows Update. After Windows Update is click. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes or 20 minutes. It's automatically update all Windows printer manufacturer and the printer list. I click on the Windows Update and make sure your Wi-Fi connection or the internet connection or the Ethernet connection or Wi-Fi connection or internet connection is on, and after that click on the update and it start update and it takes 5 to 20 minutes. So be patient and wait for a few minutes. After this update is complete, we go to our next step. After update is complete, go to the manufacturer. In a manufacturer, select Samsung. Select the Samsung printer from this list. In a printer list, find the printer name Samsung M2020. Find this printer Samsung M2020. So I find this printer. These two printers are working, Samsung M2020 series or Samsung M2020 series XPS. Both are working. I select Samsung M2020 series. Select that printer and click on the next. Here we find our printer name. You can give any name that you like. I give Samsung M2020. You can give Samsung XPRESS M2020 or any name that you like. I give this name and click on the next. Wait for a few seconds. Installation is complete in a few minutes. So be patient and wait for a few minutes to properly install this printer driver on our Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is an old style printer and it takes 1 to 5 minutes depending on the speed of our PC or laptop. Wait for 1 to 5 minutes to completely and properly install these basic printer drivers or these printer drivers on our Windows 10 or any Windows PC or laptop. Our installation is complete. If you want to share this printer in a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. First option, click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly working or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners and click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, in a printer list, if you find Samsung M2020, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.